Hi guys, it's Tom
and Aoife,
and today we are making a DIY marble chocolate biscuit cake, and here is how we make it. You're going to say that. The first ingredients you will need are the biscuits, so we chose digestives.
then you'll need white chocolate,
Then you will need galaxy chocolate,
then you'll need butter,
melted butter. Then we are using some Maltesers,
and then golden syrup.
So we have melted our chocolate, and this is how you melt them. First you want to put the chocolate into a bowl, then you want to stir until it's nice and smooth on top of a bain-marie or hot water, and then you want to do the exact same thing with the milk chocolate or dark chocolate. We've also crushed our biscuits. We didn't record that, but we crushed them and we had a lot of fun. And then we melted our butter. So first you're going to, this is 3 tablespoons of melted butter. You're going to pour that in first, and then you're going to add in some of your, not all of it, some of the biscuit.
Digestive biscuits.
So then we're gonna get our spatula. So we had to get another like roughly 50 grams of butter. Then we're just gonna add in a few more, not all of them. Digestives. Actually, sure, go on, just put them all in. We're gonna have a lot of biscuit cake.
I'll be able to feed the whole of Ireland.
Yeah. We want to add in the golden syrup and make sure you do it all seductively. Like, oh wait, no, it has to be seductively.
What?
Oh yeah. Because look at that. I mean, does not make you happy?
No.
Makes me happy. So.
No, it's not coming out quick enough.
So we're also going to add a little bit more golden syrup because, as we said, we have, like with the butter and the golden syrup, it's really just your choice, like what consistency you want or whatever. So yeah, we're just going to add a few drizzles more, about another 3 tablespoons. I know that looks a lot, but it actually is not. Yeah, it comes out very slow. So you just want to mix that all together. And then remember not to make it too wet, because by the time you add in your chocolate, it'll be less wet. Chop chop the squid, chop 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 the squid, chop 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 the squid. This up. So this is the consistency you will get. It's like wet sand, because everything has to be like wet sand in the art of baking. What we're gonna do is we're not pouring that in yet. So just for the look, we're going to get your mold or whatever you're using, and pour a layer or drizzle of white, a little bit of galaxy, just a little bit, because galaxy, there's less of it. We don't have as much. So you want to get a knife and you want to start scraping it basically to give it like a nice kind of marbly effect. Maybe do a few swirls. You don't get just a few swirls. Make sure you don't over swirl it, because then it'll like lose the kind of thing. So like in the middle there might be a bit overdone, so I'm going to kind of draw it out. And yeah, so now we're going to add in some biscuit. Now we're going to add in some of the biscuit. Make sure you don't when you're doing it, make sure not to ruin the design, because that'll be annoying. So you just want to make sure that you drop a bit on. And now we're gonna, yeah, maybe we can like put it all in.
Put it all in?
Yeah, because like
I'll put half of it in, and then we'll put on more chocolate.
Yeah, because the like chocolate will drizzle through it anyway. So yeah, about roughly half of it in. There we go. And then so I'm gonna take both of the chocolates and pour them in at the same time, just because I'm like amazingly talented. Yeah, this is like, wow. This is a mess. Okay. And then we're gonna add in some more biscuit. We can add in some of the Maltesers. So, yeah, now that we've added in all of the Maltesers, we're gonna add in the rest of the biscuit.
All of it, yeah?
Yeah. So just scrape it on in. Oh yeah, by the way, we use a full packet of digestives, so
which
just
isn't
like
really a good idea if you're
just like a medium size. But yeah, we probably should have used more chocolate. We still have chocolate left, but like the more chocolate the better. So can I just try this? So you want to push it downwards, but you don't want to ruin that design that we have. So you just want to kind of flatten it without like mixing it too much, like so. And then we want to add in the chocolate. So now we're adding in the chocolate. Just kind of like swirl it around the place nearly. Chocolate kind of gets harder as, or like dries a bit as you keep going. We might have to resort to a bit of Nutella, which won't hurt anybody. Yeah, so we use Galaxy milk chocolate, and then we just used like generic white chocolate because we couldn't find any other ones and it was better value. So yeah, we're just gonna scrape that in, and then we're gonna pour
just adding in the white chocolate
and kind of drizzle it around like we did with the other one to give it a kind of marble effect. I'm gonna go around the corners just to make sure that they kind of glue together, because like you don't with this you don't have to like cook it or anything. All you have to do is leave it in the fridge, so the chocolate is essentially the glue. I might add a little drizzle of the golden syrup as well, just to, because we don't have really enough chocolate. We weren't prepared. Like, we weren't even thinking that we're gonna have to use all this chocolate. But anyway, I'm just gonna finish off putting the chocolate and we'll see you then. Finish adding a, oh god, that's all over me. We're just gonna add in some golden syrup, and here's what it looks like. So it looks kind of marbly now, but by the time it dries and you flip it to the other side, it'll be very marbly. So yeah, we're just gonna let this, put this in the fridge for about an hour. We have a chocolate biscuit cake. We're not sure whether it's actually like solid yet or not, but we're watching the Eurovision and
fantastic.
Careful, careful.
It's gonna break.
Okay, this is so gonna break. Oh no. Oh no, I don't think this is gonna come out.
Doesn't matter, it's meant to be broken orange. We'll just eat it like granola.
Oh my god, it's literally like
just eat it like
almost
granola.
done. It's just not deciding to come out properly.
So it's not done?
No, as in like, it's just kind of stuck. Yeah, you can stop this. I don't want to be. Oh, wait. No. Oh. That looks terrible. Yay. So this is our marble cake.
Flip it over.
I don't want to flip it over.
Yeah, get another plate and flip it
So
over.
let me just cut it and then I'll flip it over. Pause that. So now we're going to cut it all amazingly.
Just cut it.
Oh my god, I can't wait for this. Yeah, I'm not sure how we're like gonna make this look nice for the thumbnail, but here it is. Taste test. Look, show me. Oh my god. Nicest ever. Like, subscribe, comment for more videos. And we'll see you here next time. Thank you.